In front of me is Nubia Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll down to access Privacy. Then hit Permission Manager, select any feature you wish to manage, and then hit one of your apps, like Chrome. Lastly, apply one of those options for a chosen feature by clicking on the best one and go back. If you want to, you can also just tap on any feature and select an app that you wish to manage instead. Then click on See All Permissions and manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!